Okay, this one's quite nice. Easy 3 marks, to be honest. You've got to read and decipher all of the above, but essentially line A has a probability of 0.05 and they make 40 on this line. Line B has a probability of failure of 0.08 and they make 50 on this line. So it says basically at the end of 1 hour, one motor is selected at random from all the motors that have been produced during that hour. So in the hour, they're going to have 90 produced. Basically, what's the probability that the motor is faulty? So how many do we expect to be faulty from line A? How many do we expect to be faulty from line B? Well, our expectation in this case is just equal to the number that come off this line, which is 40, multiplied by the chance that it is faulty on this line. Our expectation here is just exactly the same thing, but we make 50 on this line, and 8% of them are going to be broken. So 4 and 2, however you figure them out. So in total, we're going to get 6 faulty things out of the 90 things that come off the line. So 6 over 90 is all good. However, it asked for it in the form 1 over b. So we've got to cancel down this fraction so that this is a 1 on the top. So if we divide by 6 on the top, we get 1. If we divide by 6 on the bottom, we get 15. So our answer is 1 in 15. Now it says the selected motor is found to be faulty. What is the probability that it was assembled on line A? Well, this is what's the probability that it's come from line A, given that it's faulty. Well, this is just equal to the probability that it's A intersection with being faulty divided by the probability that it's faulty. Now, the probability that it's faulty we already had. We already figured that out before. The probability that it's from A and it's faulty, well, we're only expecting 2 out of the 90 to be faulty and from A. So this is our intersection for A with faulty, whereas the probability of faulty we found out in the first part is 1 in 15. So we just do a bit of fraction manipulation here. The 15 is going to jump up to the top, which makes 30. The 90 is going to jump down to the bottom, which makes 90. But again, we need it in the form with the 1 on the top, so we're dividing by 30 on the top, get 1, divide by 30 on the bottom, we get 3. There's our answer. 3 nice, easy marks.